Dear children, today I will introduce a new chapter before you, that is measurement. Okay, that you have studied the metric measure, studied about the metric measures from first standard onwards, right? Okay, did you remember that? Okay, first I will introduce measurement of length. Okay, then measurement of length, and the standard unit of length is what? That is meter only, right? Okay, and we can use different units for measuring the length, right? And what are the units? I will explain. We use centimeters, cm, to measure small length, okay, and meters, m, for bigger length, and kilometers, km, for longer length like distances. Sometimes we need to measure the distance between two places, right? That we need to use it with what? Kilometer only, right? Okay. And next I will give you the relationship between two units, right? Okay. And 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeter. And millimeter is also used for measuring smaller length, right? Okay. That's the relation between centimeter and millimeter. 1 centimeter equals how much millimeter only? 10 millimeter only. Okay. And 1 meter equals how much centimeters? 100 centimeters. Okay, and 1 kilometer equals how much meters? 1000 meters. Is it clear? Okay, then converting one unit into another unit. We need to convert one unit to another. How? Okay, to convert a metric measure from a smaller unit to bigger unit, we need to convert from smaller unit to bigger unit. We need to use what only there? Division. We divide only, right? Okay, and to convert bigger unit to smaller unit, use what only there? We need to use multiplication. Is it clear, children? And smaller unit to bigger unit, division, and bigger unit to smaller unit, multiplication. Okay, and I will give you some exercise problems, that is exercise 11b, fill in the blanks. Okay, I will give. First one is height of a glass. Height is given in which unit only? Meter only, right? We need to convert that height into what? Centimeter. Is it clear? And height is in meter only, and we need to convert them into which unit only? Centimeter only. How can I convert meter to centimeter? First, I need to find the relation between centimeter and meter. What's the relation between centimeter and meter? 1 meter equals how much centimeters only? 100 centimeter only. That's the relation between these two units. 1 meter equals 100 centimeter. After that, I need to decide smaller unit to bigger unit or bigger unit to smaller unit only this. And which one only this? Here meter to centimeter, meter is the bigger one, right? And centimeter is the smaller one. Bigger to smaller unit, we need to use what only there? Multiplication only. So I need to multiply by which number? 100 only, right? That's the relation between meter and centimeter. 1 meter equals 100 centimeter. So I need to multiply by 100. 0.12 into 100, I will get what? 0.12 into 100. What only I will get? See, I teach you in decimal chapter, right? Okay, and if you are multiplying by 100, what will happen there? Two places move to the decimal point moves 2 places to the right only, right? Okay, and what will happen here? Decimal place is here only, and 1 place right here only, and 1 more place to the right. It will become what? 12. So answer is what? 0.12 meter equals how much centimeters only? 12 centimeter only. Is it clear, children? Okay, and the next one, height of a tree 960 centimeter. Okay, 960 centimeter, and we need to convert into meter only. Here centimeter to meter, centimeter is the smaller one and meter is the bigger one. We need to change smaller to bigger unit only. So we need to use multiplication or division here, division only. Okay. And what's the relation between 1 meter equals 100 centimeter? So I need to divide by which number? 100 only. So 960 divided by 100, what will happen there? For the division by 100, the point moves to right or left. You tell me, did you remember that? Move to the left only, right? So 1 place, 2 places. Decimal point will become, places will become what? What is here? What is the answer here? 9.60 only. Is it clear? Because division only, right? 9.60. For the division, the decimal places move to the left only, right? For the multiplication, the decimal point moves to the right only. Is it clear? Okay. And the next one, distance from floor to ceiling, right? Distance from floor to ceiling. Okay. And 3.8 m only, right? Equals how much centimeters? Here we need to change meter to centimeter. Which one only bigger? Meter only bigger. Bigger to smaller unit only. We need to use what? Multiplication only. And what's the relation between meter and centimeter? I told you before also, right? 1 meter equals 100 centimeter. So we need to multiply by what? 100 only. So 3.8 into 100, what will happen there? I told you for the multiplication, the decimal places move to the right only. How many places? 2 places. That means it will become what? 3.8 will become what? For 1 place, for 10 it will become 38. For 100 it will become what? 380. 380 centimeters only. Is it clear? Okay. And the next one, length of a cricket bat 0.87 meter. We need to change to what? Centimeter only. Here bigger unit to smaller unit, that is multiplication only, right? Okay. And we need to multiply by which number? 100 only, right? That is the relation between meter and centimeter. So for the multiplication, what will happen here? It will become what? 87 only, right? 2 places move to the right only. 87 centimeter. Okay. In the next one, height of a table, that is given in the centimeter only. We need to change to meter. Here smaller unit to bigger unit only, children. Okay. And smaller to unit to bigger unit, we need to use what? That is division only, right? And how? Divided by what? 100 only. For the division, the decimal places will become moved to where only? Left only. So it will become what? 0.70 only. 0.70. Is it clear? Okay. And the next one, thickness of a pencil 0.8 centimeter, and we need to change to millimeter. Here centimeter to millimeter. What's the relation between centimeter and millimeter? I told you before, right? 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeter, right? Okay, that's here. Next we need to check what? Smaller unit to bigger unit or bigger unit to smaller unit. Here what only, children? A centimeter is the bigger one and bigger unit to smaller unit only. So bigger unit to smaller unit, we need to use what only? Multiplication. So we need to multiply by which number? 10 only. That's the relation between millimeter and centimeter. So I need to multiply by 10. What will happen here? The decimal place will move 1 place to the right only. So it will become what? 8. Okay, 8 millimeter only, right? Is it clear? Okay, so I will repeat one more time. If you want to change smaller unit to bigger unit, you need to use what only there? Smaller unit to bigger unit, division only. But sometimes you need to change bigger unit to smaller unit. In that case, you need to use what? Bigger unit to smaller unit, multiplication only. Is it clear? Okay. And how to study the relation between two units also, you need to study, that's why. Okay, otherwise you can't do anything, right? Okay. First you need to understand what's the relation between that two units. After that you need to understand is it from bigger unit to smaller unit or smaller unit to bigger unit. Then only you can do it correct. Okay. And next one is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. 6.2 kilometer equals dash meter only. Here kilometer is the bigger unit. We need to change to smaller unit, meter. How? Multiplication or division. Bigger unit to smaller unit, that is multiplication only. And what's the relation between meter and kilometer, children? 1 kilometer equals 1000 meter only. So I need to multiply by what? 1000 only, right? Okay. And 6.2 into 1000, what will happen there? I told you, right? For the multiplication with 1000, decimal places move to right or left. For the multiplication, the decimal places moves to right only, right? Okay. How much places? 3 places, because you know what's the reason? For the 1000, there are 3 zeros, right? So we need to move 3 decimal places to the right only. Okay. And first one, second one, third one. For multiplying by 10, what will happen here? 6.2 into 10, what will happen there? Decimal places move one place to the right only, right? It will become 62. 6.2 into 100, what will happen here? 620 only, right? And 6.2 into 1000, what will happen here? That will become 6200. Okay, it will become what? 6200 meter only, right? 6200 meter. Is it clear, children? Okay, next one is 0.12 kilometer equals how much meter only? How much meter only, children? And here also bigger unit to smaller unit, and the relation between kilometer and meter is 1 kilometer equals 1000 meter only. So I need to multiply by what? 1000. The same like 0.12 into 10, what will happen there? Decimal places move one place to the right only. It will become 1.2. And 0.12 into 100, what will happen here? It will become 12. Okay. And 0.12 into 1000, what will happen here? It will become 120. Is it clear, children? Okay. And the next one is 9.1 kilometer equals dash meter. The same like only. Into by what? Into 1000. What will happen here? 9.1 into 10, that will become 91. After that it will become 910. After that 9.1 into 1000, what will happen there? 9100 only. 9100. Is it clear? Okay. And next one, 6300 meter equals how much kilometer only? Okay. Here see, smaller unit to bigger unit only. Smaller unit to bigger unit, what will happen there? I told you, right? We need to use what only here? Division only here. Okay. And divided by what? Divided by 1000. The opposite of the multiplication, right? Okay. How can you do this? For the multiplication, the decimal places moves to the right only. But for the division, we need to use decimal point moves to the left only. How much places? And 1, 2, 3. It will become what? 6.3 only. 6.3 kilometers. Okay. After that, I will give you some homeworks also. Homework questions. Exercise 11B, page number 163. Question number 1, D, E, I and J. Okay. And the question number 2, and E and F. That also you need to do it in the notebook. Okay, and the next one, question number 3, complete the table, that you have to do it in the textbook only. Is it clear, children? These two questions you need to copy to the notebook, and this one you need to do it in the textbook only. Okay, thank you.